I'm going to show you how you can switch your Instagram account to a professional account in just a few steps. So this way you can enable monetization and start earning money with your Instagram account. It will also unlock some professional features and tools that will help you grow your account. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All you need to do is open Instagram and go to your profile and click on edit profile. Once you are here, you need to scroll down until you see switch to professional account. So if you click there, you will see some features you will unlock, like the monetization. As you can see, you can earn money with Instagram after you switch to a professional account. So click next, and now you need to search for a category that describes your Instagram account. So let's say it's a personal blog. Just click this option and you can choose if you want this category to be displayed on your profile or not. In my case, I don't want it on my profile. So just click on switch to professional account. And now just choose the type of professional you are. You can choose between creator or business. In my case, it's creator. So click next and enable or disable the promotional emails. Click next and that's it. Now if you want, you can follow these steps to have like a better Instagram account, but this is not necessary, so you can just close the window. And now if you refresh, you will see your professional dashboard and you can click there to see your new tools and statistics of your account. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.